Hi everyone. We're back at it. So this is the month end signal review. On the Monday, the 23rd, all the way to the end of the week, plus now the 2 more days, the 30th and the 31st, Monday and Tuesday. So we just wanted to see how the last week of January was. So on Monday, I gave 2 trades. There was Euro USD and there was Euro AUD. So we can start maybe with Euro USD. So I gave a trade, an entry, which was from there. Stop loss was here. So unfortunately, this pair really didn't take off as we expected. So it came down, then came and hit the stop loss. So for this one, we had a -1 R. So for Euro AUD, we also had an entry there and a stop loss there. So unfortunately, this one didn't take off also. So it came down and we got another -1. So in total for Monday, we had a -2 R. Yes, so for Tuesday, the 24th of January, we had one pair, which was USD JPY. So for USD JPY, we had an entry at that point, we had a stop loss at that point, and our take profit right there. So apparently this one didn't really, the entry really didn't get down to where we had put it. So this one just took off without us. So sometimes you can miss these trades. Sometimes you have that sniper entries. Sometimes you really don't. They just come and go. So by the time New York was opening, it had already gone without us. So for this day, we had a 0. Yes, so for Thursday, the 26th, I also had only one pair that I gave out, which was the Euro USD. This is the day when there was some impactful news for the New York, the US dollar. So what happened here was we had given an entry at this point and stop loss was there. So apparently this one, the stop loss was just hit straight up. So so for this day we had a -1 R. Yes, so this is Monday the 30th. Monday the 30th of January, we had I'd given 2 trades. So there was GBP JPY and there was also gold. GBP JPY, I'd given a sell at around 7. It was around 7:30. So 7:30 is around there. So we were waiting for retest to come back up. So the market didn't really come back up, it just went down. And so this day we had a 0 R on GBP JPY. Yes, so this is gold. We had given an entry at that point and a stop loss right there, but as you can see, the market came back in at around 8. The market came back in, you got filled, and then the market dropped. So if you didn't hold on to that trade, if maybe you didn't get out at around 4 R, you would have been stopped out at around right there, right? But just to make sure you understand it, so you can see the market entered, then this market dropped all the way down, straight down. So it went all the way down till there, and then right after that it spiked and went back up and got stopped, and then probably you got stopped out. So if you were greedy, you would have been stopped out. But if you got out at around this, where the buyers are at around this area, which I usually teach my students, usually buy or exit where the buyers are, and this is where the buyers are. So you would have gotten a good 3 R, around 3 R. Yes. So for this day, you'll find GBP was 0, gold was 3 R. Yes. So this is for Tuesday the 31st. I'd given only one AUD USD. The gold was for the VIP trade signal group. So for AUD USD, we had given the entry right there and the stop loss right there. And as you can see, the trade was not triggered. It was just a peep away, yeah, for us to get that entry. But after that, you can see how it melted. It just went all the way down, respecting structure, giving you lower lows and lower highs, going all the way down, yeah. So unfortunately this one really didn't play out, but if it played out, we would have made a good 10R, yeah, till the end. And then right there is where you can know what to expect, what my students can know exactly what that means. Then you can stop, you can get out and get another reverse to go up, but apparently this one didn't play out well, yeah. Yes, for the VIP, I can maybe show you guys a bit. For the VIP group, we usually have some sniper entries, so we usually go down to the M1. Our entries, most of them are on M1, and we usually try and enter at a very small stop loss. So this one was around 5 pips, so it's like 50. So our entry was here, and it dropped down. We were targeting, I was targeting around 1902, and as you can see, the market went all the way till 1902. I'd shared it with the group. It was for free in the free group. Anyone who took advantage of that made some good money, because as you can see, once it got to 1902, the market reversed and went back up, yeah. So for whoever wants to know how to grab those beautiful entries and know when to exit, exactly when to exit, just join Bono Fx Academy, and we'll teach you step by step how to enter, how to get out, how to enter into more trades, when to enter, yeah, so you can maximize on your profits, yeah. Yes, so yeah, so let's just join and meet each other there, yeah. And also for the VIP group, whoever wants to join the VIP group can also send an email to bonofx academy at gmail.com, or just yeah, just call me up with the number I'll share, yeah. We had Monday we had the -2R, Tuesday we had 0R, Thursday we had Thursday the 26th we had we just had -1R, and then Monday the 30th we had 3R, and then Tuesday we had 0R from AUD USD. So overall we had 0R, so we had break even for that last week of January. Yes, so let's recap. So for the first week of January, that's from the 9th to 13th, we had 42.2R. And then the second week, which is the 16th to the 20th, we had around 11R. And then the third week, which is the last one, which was from the 23rd to the 31st, we had 0R. We had a break even for that week. So that brings us to a total of 53.2R. Yeah. So people ask what this R is. Yeah. R is your reward. Yeah. So what we usually do is we usually do our risk management is we usually do risk to reward ratio. Okay. So if we're risking 1R, we're trying to make more than 1R. Yeah, so you have to manage your risk so that you can be able to make more profits. We treat forex just like any other business. Yeah, so if you're able to control how you lose, yeah, you'll be a consistent trader. Okay, so for example, let's say for example you have an account of around $500. Okay, and with this $500 you have let's just get our calculator up. Yeah, so we usually have we usually trade something like around 5% of your account. So 5% of that $500 will come to around $25 per trade. Yeah, so if you're risking $25 for every trade, that's what now you put in your R. So in this case it will be, for this month of January, we'll have 53 which is 53.2. Then you multiply with that $25, yeah, so it's $25 per trade, to see how much you'll have made for that whole month. And you can see you'll have made 1,330, yeah, for that specific month. And that's with a week that we didn't have any reward back. There's another week we had around 11 R, and another one we had a high amount of R, yeah. So this is just to prove that with a good forex strategy and a good money management, you can make a really good amount of money in forex. Yeah, so anyway, let's just think about this, and then we get back to February. Okay.